What is up? So yesterday I have shared with you my target for Bitcoin, and today Bitcoin have hit the $28,500 target. So I have two possible targets that I have discussed yesterday. So today Bitcoin have dropped and hit the first target, which is 28,500. And today I'm going to explain to you the next possible price action for Bitcoin and why I remain bearish in overall for Bitcoin. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. All right, so you are looking at the 1 hour time frame of the Bitcoin's chart, and today we have seen that the price have dropped to this discount zone, and this is around 28,500 in the if you're going to check the perpetual chart or the Bitcoin perpetual chart, this have hit the 28,548 level, and right now we are seeing a bounce. I'm going to explain to you the next possible price action. Let's go back to the previous chart. So we had a previous consolidation area here, and using chart prime we can determine the levels that we need to watch out for. So in the 1 hour time frame, we have medium level order blocks here at around 29,500 up to $29,600 at this area right here. All right. So the reason why we have seen a bounce today is because we have the order blocks sitting at around this area here, and this is also one of the support for Bitcoin, and this is in confluence with a discount zone using chart prime indicator, the only paid indicator that I've used so far, and it's working perfectly fine so far in my experience. If you want to try it or if you want to take advantage of it, feel free to check out the link in the description down below. So we have the order blocks here, plus we have this level right here as fair. So we have the bullish order blocks here. Let me just label this one. All right, so let me explain to you the chart. We have the bullish order blocks here. That's why we have seen the bounce. And we have the fair value gap. This area right here, the red area, is our fair value gap, all right? So let me just change the color to orange. This area right here, this is our fair value gap. And today, this has been filled. And right now, I will show you the bearish order blocks level using the chart prime oscillator or the chart prime indicator. So going back to the chart, in the 1 hour time frame, we have the bearish order blocks here. Actually, I'm looking at two possible levels here. Later, I'm going to share with you the chart that I posted in the VIP Discord. The chart was posted today, and the possible price action was shared in the VIP Discord. And this is related to this trade: bullish order blocks, fair value gap, and this price action right here. All right. So only if you're watching the video, so I'm just going to share this to my subscribers and to most of my viewers. So before I discuss any further about this chart, let me share with you this chart first that I've shared on our VIP Discord earlier. So here under the watch list channel, I have shared this earlier. Bitcoin order blocks sitting at around 29,250 up to 29,600, possible short entry. All right, the price currently in the middle trade. Let's wait for the confirmation. All right, so this is not a recommendation or this is not a financial advice. All the charts discussed in this video are for educational purposes only. So here, as what you can see, the price was hovering at around 28,900 when I posted this chart in the VIP Discord. And we have two order blocks here. You're looking at the 4 hour time frame. This chart, we have this 200 exponential moving average acting as a resistance. This is in confluence with the order blocks using chart prime. So here's the possible price action, this red line right here at 28,600. I was expecting a bounce, and to fill this fair value gap, this big red candle right here, this area we have a fair value gap, and we have order blocks at this area right here. So that is why we have seen a bounce today. And right now I'm expecting a rejection at around 29,600. This is in confluence with the 200 EMA. This is actually a zone. We have two order blocks waiting at this area. So let's see the reaction of price once we reach the target. All right, so this was the exact price action that I've shared in the VIP Discord earlier. So let's jump to the 4 hour time frame. So in the 4 hour time frame, we have this two order blocks using chart prime. We have this fair value gap. We have the bullish order blocks. We have seen the bounce from this area. And right now I'm waiting for this two possible entries here. So first we have low order blocks. We have 2.4K, and this one is 283 BTC orders at this area. So this is small orders right here, and price is reacting to this order blocks right now, but these are small orders. But we have a huge orders waiting at around this area. So let's see the reaction of the price once it reach this level. So for me, this would be a safer short entry point. We have a stronger resistance on this area. We have this 200 EMA, we have the 20 EMA, we have this dynamic reactor, we have the 50 EMA, all acting as a resistance. And also we have this bearish divergence right here. So we have a multi-confluence, multi-time frame confluence at around this area right here. So watch out for the price reaction at this area. Of course, you can just set your limit order. You need to watch the reaction of the price once it hit this area, and you need to make your decision once you see the reaction or once you see confirmation at around this area right here. So right now we are seeing a small rejection from this area, but volume is slowly decreasing right here. Oscillator is still approaching the zero area. Let's see. I'm going to continue to update you in the VIP Discord and on my Twitter account. So feel free to follow me on Twitter if you haven't already. I'm going to keep you posted with real time trade updates. And also, if you're going to plot a trend line here, this is also in confluence with this order blocks right here. So this is around 29,590 or 29,600 area. So watch out for this specific zone right here. This is around 29.5 up to 29.6. All right. And quick recap on the Bitcoin weekly time frame, we have this huge bearish divergence. If you want to understand about the bearish divergence and about this chart, check out my previous video posted a few days ago. We have the support trend line. Overall, I remain bearish on Bitcoin short term. This remains our target, 28,000. And we have hit the first target yesterday, which was discussed on my previous video. That was around 28,500. And let me share with you, by the way, the results in the VIP Discord. So here are the top gainers channel. So we have Aja the Fixer, congratulations. Of course, these are my trade results. ETH and Bitcoin short. Also Kulau Y, Kristen, and $1,000 profit for Kulau for Matic trade. Congratulations. CRV, Matic, Matic, another Matic here. 155, 800, 2,000, 283, 1,000. Congratulations to the VIPs. These are all the previous trade in the this week, July 31st. These are just all recent trades posted in the VIP Discord. And all right, so let me explain to you why I remain bearish on Bitcoin. So recently I tweeted about September 9 and 10 possible bearish for crypto. I'm going to explain to you why. So the reason for this is G20, and there could be a global crypto crackdown coming soon. And here's why. So FSB, or the Financial Stability Board, has recently published its global crypto regulation. And here in the Bitcoin.com, this is the latest August 2, 2023, G20's FSB pushes for global crypto regulations and standard aiming to curb crypto spillover risk. So why should we care about FSB? So FSB, or Financial Stability Board, recently admits that it has the power to set regulations in G20 countries. So let's check first who are involved in the G20. So these are the countries. We have Argentina, we have Australia, we have Brazil, we have Canada, we have China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, South Korea, Turkey, the United Kingdom, and the United States. So this is why we need to be concerned about this news. So going back to the date here, September 9 and 10, possible bearish for crypto. Mark this on your calendars. Here's why. G20 Summit will be held in New Delhi, India, Saturday, September 9 until Sunday, September 10, 2023. So the reason why I think this is going to be bearish for crypto is because India to pen crypto guidance note as outcome eyed at Leaders Summit in September. So this is happening in G20 in New Delhi. The FSB will be presenting the regulatory recommendation to G20 at the summit. After that, they will begin to implement these regulations. It looks like this is going to happen quickly, as it's the G20 that's been pushing for this recommendation. So this is something that we need to keep an eye on. This could also trigger a crypto sellout, just in case they are going to push for harder regulations for the overall crypto market, right? Especially right now, we have lots of scams, rug pulls. You heard what happened to BALD token recently, and we have all the hackings as well, FTX, Luna, all of these things. So they're trying to protect the retails or the investors. So what do you think of this G20? And what do you think about the regulations that FSB are trying to publish Do you think it will affect the overall crypto market? Do you think it will affect the Bitcoin's price? Do you think it is going to be bearish for Bitcoin? Are we going to see a sellout, or are we going to see a pump? Let me know in the comment section down below. So that's it for now. Like, subscribe, share this video. Congratulations to the VIPs. Congratulations if you were able to get into the trade yesterday. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.